Today's lesson is on adding mixed numbers. For the following problems, we're going to find the sum, and then we're going to write our answer in simplest form. So for number 1, we have 2 1/4 plus 3 1/2. Our first step is to look at our denominators and see if they are the same. We have a 4 and a 2, so they are not the same. So what we need to do first is get a common denominator. Our least common denominator, or least common multiple of 4 and 2 would be 4. So my first mixed number will stay the same. I will have 2 1/4. Then for my second fraction, I'm going to have to multiply by 2 so that I can get a denominator of 4. So my whole number 3 will stay the same, and then my fraction will become 2/4. So now I have 2 1/4 plus 3 2/4. I'm going to add my fractions. So 1/4 plus 2/4 is 3/4. Then I'm going to add my whole numbers. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3/4 cannot be simplified, so my answer is 5 3/4. For number 2, I have 6 2/3 plus 2 1/5. For my denominators, I have 3 and 5. Since those are different, we need to find a common denominator. My least common denominator, or least common multiple of 3 and 5 would be 15. So I will need to multiply the first fraction by 5. When I multiply this fraction by 5, my whole number would stay the same, and then my fraction in the numerator would have 10, and the denominator would be 15. So I have 6 10/15. Now for my second mixed number, my denominator is a 5 and I need a 15, so I'll multiply by 3. I multiply the numerator by 3 as well. My whole number will stay the same, it'll stay 2, and then my numerator is 3 and my denominator is 15. So I have 2 3/15. Now I will add my fractions. 10/15 plus 3/15 would be 13/15. Remember, when you're adding fractions, you add the numerator and the denominator stays the same. And now for my whole number, 6 plus 2 is 8. So I have 8 13/15. Now we're going to look at 2 more problems. Again, we're going to find the sum, and we want to write our answer in simplest form. So for number 3, I have 8 3/10 plus 2 1/5. If I look at my denominators, I have 10 and 5. My least common denominator, or least common multiple of 10 and 5 would be 10. For my first mixed number, the fraction has a denominator of 10, so it will stay the same. So I have 8 3/10. For my second mixed number, the fraction has the denominator of 5, so I will multiply by 2 to get a denominator of 10. So my whole number stays the same, it stays 2, and my fraction would then be 2/10. Now I will add my fractions. 3/10 plus 2/10 would be 3 plus 2 is 5, so 5/10. Remember, the denominator stays the same. And now I'll add my whole numbers. We have 8 plus 2, which is 10. So I have 10 5/10. 5/10 can be simplified. I can divide both the numerator and the denominator by 5. So I'm going to get 10, and then 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 10 divided by 5 is 2. So I get 10 1/2. So 8 3/10 plus 2 1/5 is 10 1/2. And now for number 4, I have 3 2/7 plus 4 1/3. For my denominators, I have 7 and 3. For 7 and 3, my least common denominator, or least common multiple, would be 21. So I'm going to multiply the first fraction by 3. So my whole number will stay the same. It'll stay 3, and then 2 times 3 is 6, and 7 times 3 is 21. And Now I will look at my second mixed number. My whole number stays the same again. And for my denominator, I have 3. I need to get 21, so I multiply by 7. So I multiply the numerator by 7 as well. So 1 times 7 is 7, and 3 times 7 is 21. Now I can add my fractions. So 6 plus 7 would be 13. So I have 13 over 21. And then 3 plus 4 is 7. The fraction is simplified, so my answer is 7 and 13 over 21. Or I can say 7 and 13 21st.